All right, guys, I decided to do it. I'm just gonna bite the bullet and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna franken plan my planners. I really feel like I have nothing to lose because I have not used this at all. This is my horizontal. I said that I was going to, I don't know what I said I was going to do in this, but I bought it because I didn't want to miss out on not having it after the launch. So I bought it. But I want to add it into here. So now that I've already swapped the cover, I have the 2021 planner covers for MäksēLife. I decided that I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. And I'm gonna probably put one of the new covers on because they're both beautiful. So I'm gonna just jump right in. I'm gonna try and keep this as short and sweet as possible. So I have dropped my planner a couple times, so that's why the back looks like this. But so, oh gosh, how do I want to do this? Let me think. I think I'm gonna take this out. I'm definitely not going to talk through this whole thing. I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to hear me. And if anything, I'll do a voiceover if I feel like the time is going by too slow. But I think I'm going to take out, I think I'm going to leave in July to December and then all my goal pages. And then I'm going to add in July to December and leave the goal pages in there. And then I'll just add the January to June to this one, I think. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna just not talk now. I'm just gonna do this real quick so that it's not, too long for you guys. All right, I wanted to note here, once you've undone the coil, you're gonna wanna take those covers and flip it around and then move that O-ring a little bit and then they'll slide off really easily. So now you're gonna just start taking this apart little by little. So I started to take it off. So I started with the one that I had used, so my vertical, and then I took the parts out that I wasn't going to use. So I took out January through July and I just put it off to the side. And then I'm going to show you what I did from there. So once I took that off, then I kind of put that aside and I had to redo the whole thing with my next planner. So I just skipped that for you. But I had to do the same thing with the other one, in order to undo the cover and all that and get everything in a good spot. So I did go ahead and do it like this. So I kept it on the coil and I was taking it apart, and let me save you guys some steps here and just go ahead and take apart the whole thing. So just take the whole coil off of all of it. That way you can just move around your pages as needed. So just go ahead and take that off, and then you're going to want to keep it in order. So the order in which you're taking it apart, which is basically front to back, you're going to put it back together, back to front, if that makes any sense. So I decided to keep both my weekly layouts together, obviously. So I just did the vertical and then the horizontal. So that's the order that I was keeping them in. All right, so now I wanted to point out how I have the rings here, or the ring here. So it's really important that you have the opening, or like you can see right there where the pages go into on the right hand side. Those prongs have to be on that side facing the left. So like the prongs pushing towards the left, but you put the papers in on the left hand side. If you do it the other way, which I did when I recorded this, I had to I cut that part out for you guys so this video wouldn't be too long. But and then I'm just testing this out here, but I did it wrong, so I had to go back and redo it. So let me please save you guys some trouble there. You'll just kind of get the hang of it. I learned that I was trying to put too many in at once, and more than one time I tried to take a shortcut there. So just grab a little handful, but nothing too thick, because it is kind of hard to get them in there. But it was not hard at all. I should have paid attention a little bit more as to how the things came out. I don't want to put them in the same way that I took them out. I just wasn't paying attention. So I was struggling a little bit here, but once I didn't grab so much at once, and I just was a little bit more patient, they went in just fine. So you're just going to do that the whole way, and you're going to start with, so for example, I did July to December, so I'm starting with putting December back in. So you're going to start with the farthest out month, I guess you could say. So I'm starting with December, and I'm kind of working my way back towards the beginning, which is going to be July. And I also put my goals in this one as well. I guess I could have kept them in the other one, but I wanted to see my compass and stuff at the end. So I did bring my goals over from this one too. And essentially I just removed the first 6 months and added the last 6 months in from the horizontal. All right, I'm officially done now, but I just wanted to kind of show you, I guess, the 2 different ways that you could have them end up looking like. So this is the one that I'm not going to end up using any of the horizontals. So honestly, I didn't really care how it went in here. So this is the goal setting part that I didn't use. And then I let it go January to June like regular. And these are the ones that, like these are some of the ones I did use. So there's that, and then I just put the rest of the horizontal back here. I didn't use like literally any of that except for this is June in my vertical. So I didn't really care how I did this one, since I didn't use any of the vertical for the first half of the year. I put it back on the yellow cover, and yeah, actually when I put it back, when I put it back in here, it was way easier. I feel like I'm a pro at it now. And then this is how I have my the end of 2020 set up. So I kept my goal setting in here, because I do want to be able to go back and look at all this. All this. So it will start right away in July. So I decided to go ahead and double everything up, and I'm not really sure how that's going to work, but obviously, like, since I didn't use, so this is the vertical one, I didn't use the vertical, so we'll just fast forward to October. This is the wrong October. So I think I'm going to go through and snip this last one. I got that idea from Darian. So This is like my regular view, so this will be like my personal one. And then I think I might use this, these are my monthly goals. And then I might just use this one for like content planning and different things like that. And then I might just like repurpose these. So since I have the functional sticker book, what did I do with my sticker book? Of course I can't find it now, but the sticker book that came in this year's, or that's new this year, they have these flags that I can just put over it and use that. And then, so how I did it was I did, see, I was talking about this in my live the other day, but I don't know. Sometimes I just don't use this page. So I'm excited that next year it's a dot grid. I'm getting off topic here, but so this will be like my hourly spread that I think I'm gonna switch to using stickers here. And then I think I'm gonna move to doing, this will be another one. I might just stick this together, unless, I might stick this together. It might overwhelm me to have like essentially 2 tasks. I think Carla said that she does one of these for affirmations maybe. So maybe I'll keep it there. It's not a bad idea. Or like Bible verses or different things that I can do to like keep me motivated in these sections. And then this will be like my task area. So I'm gonna go mess with this and see how I like it, and then we're gonna go from there. I'm gonna see how I like it. And I mean, either way, I'm gonna order the horizontal tomorrow. I feel like I'll make it work even if I don't put them all together. But yeah, I like it. I think it worked out good. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I will be back to do a plan with me, hopefully this weekend, and show you guys like planning with it my first week. I might just wait till next week to give myself a full week to play with it, but we'll see. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Look forward to more plan with me's coming soon.